Dave the Skeleton stealing my bat, and welcome though, however, to another episode of Knock Maths Out the Park with me, Mr. Clark. It's great to see you again. And today we are going to be continuing on a little bit more using our times tables. So hopefully you've watched all the other videos about learning our times tables. You've gone and you've learned your 2s, then you've learned your 10s, your 5s, then you've moved on to 3s, 4s, 8s, you've then done your 6-fact challenge and then gone on to your 11 and 12s, and you've got them. You've practiced counting them, you've learned all those facts, you use my level system to build yourself up until you're all the way there. What I want to look at now is the idea of it's nothing new. Now, I steal this from Big Maths. It's nothing new, because when we have learned those times tables, we can use those sums to help us do much harder maths. Now you might be thinking, how? It's just our times tables. Well, the fact is, once you know some of these facts, let's take 5 times 6. Now we know that 5 times 6 equals 30. We now know from that fact that 5 times 60 will equal, now 5 times 6 equals 30, 5 times 60 will equal 300. You'll notice it looks like 30, but you've got an extra placeholder, an extra 0. And the same could go for 50 times 60. We know what 5 times 6 is. We've got 2 extra placeholders here, so the number's going to move up 2 places. So 50 times 60 will be 3,000. So straight away, if you've been practicing your times tables, then this will help you step it up a little bit more. And parents, if you're looking for a way to challenge your child with their times table, start giving them some it's nothing new questions. See if they can use it. Now, if you're maybe primary 6, primary 5, primary 7, you might be starting to be introduced to decimals. Now you will learn very quickly how to multiply decimals. So if I said, stick with my 5 times table, 5 times 0.6, now that 6 stands for 6/10. Now if I know that 5 times 6 is 30, then 5 times 6/10 will be 3.0. And you'll notice it's just got that decimal point there. So that's a little kind of helper. It's going to help us with our future videos looking at grid method and also column multiplication. Keeping it quick today. I hope that helps you improve your tables and take them that next step and knock it out the ballpark. And it'll take you one step closer to becoming the Beyonce of math. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.